Welcome back, guys, to another special episode of opening booster packs Hidden Fates. This episode we're going for the Ultra Ball with METAGROSS full on shiny in the front. The last episode was like catastrophically bad, but I think this one will hear our prayers for good pulls. So let's get this bad boy open. I forgot to show you guys the card of the Zoroark, so I will show it in this episode. Here you guys go. It's very nice, very beautiful card. So let's see if we can pull this one out. Destroying everything. I'm sorry about that. So here is the Ultra Ball together with the packs. Let's put up this bad boy Ultra Ball. Put it in the front. Let's see if we can. Just gonna have this one here. There we go. Put it here to represent the episode. And here we go, the booster packs. 3 booster packs, 5 booster packs, 8 and 10. 10 booster packs. So let's see if we can do something amazing with these guys. Let's put up 2 piles of 5 of each so we can see which pile is the best. Okay, here we go, guys. Just gonna adjust my camera a bit here. Let's get started with Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo, the right one. Yeah, let's get started. Let's hope for some great pulls in this one to compensate for the bad one in the other episode. But you never know. It's if you get lucky, you get lucky. But I'm up all night to get lucky, so let's get started. Energy, Misties, Jim Magmar, Charmeleon, Psyduck, Ekans, Quarterpie, Paras, Charmander, Reverse Hollow, Snorlax, and Electrode. So nothing too super duper yet, but it can all change. Well, not get too excited here. Let's see if we can pull something great here. Energy card, Koga's Trap, Brock's Grit, Misty's Determination, Staryu, Jigglypuff, Ekans, Geodude, Cubone, Reverse Hollow Scyther, that's nice, and an Arbok. Right pile, I think it is, right? Yes, right pile, magic. So I think it's the same here. Very bad pulls so far. Energy, Metapod, Sabrina, Charmeleon, Eevee, Quarterpie, Paras, Ekans, Psyduck, Koga Reverse, and a GX Gyarados. So that's the best one so far. I need to check the pack here to see. Yeah, very good. Next up, Mew. Let's see if we can pull something amazing. Come on. We need this. You guys need this. I need this. Yes! Hiker! My first Hiker. That's nice. And a Zapdos. So, that's amazing card. Hiker card. Great. Let's leave this one up. Maybe I can sleeve up the Gyarados GX as well. Why not? I mean, but the hiker is very good at pull, so that's great so far. Starting to come around, right? Let's see if we can keep this up. The magic pull. Hiker, that's very nice. Can we pull a Cynthia maybe? Sabrina, Scyther, Charmeleon, Eevee, Misty's Determination Reverse, and another Gyarados GX in the same pack. Great. Okay, right one. I think I took both from the left one, right? Yeah, maybe. So we can take 2 from the right this time. Here, let's go, the code. Energy card, as always. Pokemon Trainer, Center Lady. I mean, Metapod, Sabrina, Eevee, Clefairy, Psyduck, Ekans, Cortopi. Yes, my third one, Shiny Lycanroc, and a Mew. I think it's the third one, right? For my Lycanroc. It's a very nice card, so I take it. This pack is much better than the other one. So let's put Lycanroc over there. So let's go for the right pile once more. See here if we can. Now it's starting to get somewhere here. It's much better than the other pack, or the other packs from the Great Ball. Energy card, Magmar. So let's see if we can pull something amazing in this one. Reverse Mew, and yes, the birds. I haven't got this one, I think. Trinity Burn, Sky Legends GX, Moltres, and Zapdos. So far this has been a great one. With the hiker here. The birds, and Lycanroc as the front 3. It's very good. It's and also 2 Gyarados GXs. Fairy Energy, Chansey, Graveler, Giovanni, Staryu, Jigglypuff, Ekans, Geodude, Cubone, Ekans, and a Weezing. Second last pack for this episode, guys. Do you think we can pull something amazing? I hope so. I'm really satisfied with this episode than the last one. The last one was like catastrophic. Let's see here if we can just get this done. Koga, Brock, Lieutenant Zurge, Charmander, Voltorb, Coffee, Ekans, Cubo, Celesteela, Shiny. I think it's my second Celesteela. I take it. I will take it, of course. It's a beautiful card as well. Celesteela, Shiny. So it's the last pack, guys. A Charizard. Let's see if we can get some last pack magic, as I've said a couple of times. Still hoping for it, so let's see here. Energy card, Jinx, Graveler, Farfetch'd, Clefairy, Slowpoke, Magikarp, Pikachu, Voltorb, Energy card, and a Zapdos. So it's been pretty good so far, at least. 2 GXs Gyarados here, as you can see, and these 4 as the front runners for the Ultra Ball pack collection. So 4 of these in 10 packs is pretty good. So it's Lycanroc full on Shiny GX, a Celesteela shiny, regular, the birds, and Hiker. So Hiker is the most cool card, I think, from these ones. So this has been a great pull for this episode, but the other one was really bad. So maybe I can show you guys as well the card for the METAGROSS as well. If I can find it here somewhere. In my... Here we go. Let's sleeve up the METAGROSS. METAGROSS. Here we go. So I can just summarize the packs that I've done for the pulls, the best pulls for the Pokeball and the Great Ball collection. So it's Zoroark and METAGROSS as the front covers for the collections. And we got a Lycanroc, a Celesteela, the birds, Hiker, that's the one I'm most excited about, I think, and shiny Riolu. So this was the second part, or all the parts, for these special collection boxes, opening them up. I will be back very soon with another openings of booster packs. So I will see you then, guys, in that episode. So in the meantime, you always stay awesome. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you want me to continue with this. It really means a lot. So stay awesome. Bye bye.